I'm flying home for Christmas. I'm coming home again. I'm coming back to you. This time Christmas will be better. This time we will celebrate our love again. I'm flying back for Christmas home to her again. She's waiting for me at Christmas. I'm flying back for Christmas. I'm flying back to her, for our love has found new brand us love not lost, but bloom at Christmas time in winter snowing outside.
Outside and cold, I smoke a cigarette, drink cold coffee in front of massive airport. My plane just landed, I better have a last pull and get my passport ready for check-in. It's gonna be a long Atlantic flight, big turbulence in air, making the rest of this journey scared. We may all be in this plane, bad weather passed away, play fly as it should. No more big jump drop in midair and 1,000 feet in a 1 second.
Plane about to touch down, back on this earth again. I'm getting nerves to see her again. After a whole year we've been apart, we split up, but trying to make up just for this Christmas time, for peace between us. I agree for Christmas time and for her, me, us again. A new break in love, lost but found again. Everything is worth fighting for. She was once all I wanted from my world, from me to her. I'm flying home